Having a deep, rich voice can completely transform the way we communicate and perceive ourselves by others. It can give us confidence, authority, and a sense of self-assurance that's hard to ignore in both the workplace or when out making new friends. But for many of us, achieving a deeper voice seems like an elusive dream, something that's only reserved for those who are blessed with a naturally deep tone. But what if I told you that it's possible to deepen your voice naturally, without any expensive vocal lessons, surgery, or miracle pills? You're welcome to click the link around the video for a full set of videos that can train you to achieve a deeper voice in great detail, or stick with me now for the highlights. Now, one of the biggest misconceptions around voice training is that it's only for singers or voice actors, but the truth is, anyone can benefit from improving their vocal quality, regardless of their professional lifestyle. Now, stress is a major obstacle that can get in the way of achieving a deeper voice. When we're under stress, our bodies produce more adrenaline, and that can cause our vocal cords to tighten up and produce a higher-pitched sound. Stress also creates shoulder and neck tensions, and this prevents our vocal folds from resonating fully and resonating in those little cavities of the upper body that makes our voice sound like us. This is why many people notice their voice getting higher when they're nervous or anxious. Do you notice this? But by learning to manage our stress levels and relaxing our vocal cords, we can actually begin to notice a significant drop in our vocal pitch. So, what's the secret to deepening your voice naturally? Well, it all starts with proper breathing. When we breathe deeply and correctly, our vocal cords are able to produce a richer, fuller sound. This is because our diaphragm is able to drop down, expand our lungs, allowing more air to flow through our vocal cords. Plus, your diaphragm can really only work properly when you're stress-free. So by getting your breathing right, you'll be killing two birds with one stone. And you'll get out of the habit of doing little micro breaths like that, which stop a continuous flow of air, and that stops you getting those deeper sounds and the harmonics. So by practicing deep breathing exercises regularly, we can actually begin to notice a significant improvement in our vocal quality. Another key technique is posture. Now, when we slouch or hunch over, our vocal cords are compressed, which can cause our voice to sound higher and more strained. By standing up straight and opening our chest, or sitting down and in a good posture, we can actually create more space for our vocal cords to resonate and produce a deeper sound. Vocal warm-ups are also essential for deepening your voice. I'm a professional voice artist. I do 10 minutes of voiceover warm-up exercises every day. I have to do that, or else I'll get really into bad shape. Now, by doing simple exercises like deep and controlled humming, lip trills, and even tongue twisters, we can loosen up our vocal cords, get them ready to produce a deeper sound. One of my favorite exercises is to low hum while dropping the larynx very slightly. That creates a mellow sound and extra vibrations that you can feel with your hand under your neck. So I'll just drop my larynx very, very slightly now. You hear the sound change. Now, you need to repeat this process several times along with active relaxation techniques, and you'll start to notice your voice getting deeper and richer. Now, here are 10 quick tips I can also give you today. 1. Slow down. Speak at a deliberate pace. Rushing can make your voice sound higher and less confident. Just slow down. 2. Speak from the chest. Gently lower your pitch without straining. Think you're speaking from your chest, not from your throat. Yes, it's psychological, but it works. You can access deeper tones this way. 3. Enunciate clearly. Pronounce your words crisply to enhance your authority and make your message impactful. 4. Hydrate well. Drink plenty of water to keep your vocal cords hydrated and flexible and supple. Avoid, if you can, too much caffeine and alcohol, which can dry them out. 5. Avoid vocal strain. Don't try to force a lower pitch. You're not sounding like a cartoon giant or anything. Instead, focus on resonance and speaking naturally within your comfortable range. 6. Try using strategic pauses. If you briefly pause for emphasis to let your words carry more weight, well, it gives your voice more authority and depth naturally. 7. I say avoid nasality. Keep your sound grounded. Practice speaking with an open mouth and avoid letting sound escape through your nose, which sounds horrible. 8. Smile slightly when you're speaking. A subtle smile when speaking can add warmth to your voice, and this will balance deep tones with approachability. 9. Relax, relax, relax. Just relax. Relax your throat in particular. Avoid tension in your throat by relaxing your neck and your jaw muscles around it. A tense throat can constrict your voice and raise its pitch. And 10. Develop resonance regularly. Practice resonating your voice in your chest or throat by humming or saying those sounds. Feel the vibration in your chest as you chew that hum around. Now, don't forget to leave a comment below and share your experiences with me. And if you're really serious about improving your voice to make it deeper and more resonant, I've created a series of videos that will show you in great detail how to get a deeper, more authoritative voice over just 7 days. Click the link around this video to watch the preview videos now, or check out voiceovermasterclass.com.